Lalaki yun.
Kabutan yung ang shades name. Ikaw. Kabutan yung ang shades name. Nicole. Sa now.
Ay, mag-change pa na yun?
Jag. I need you now. Now.
Ikaw! Ay!
Tapos, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos ikaw ni Kai. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ikaw, Jeppe. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Laban ang shades, dragon balls. Ay, no! Laban yung isa. 5, 6, 7, 8. One, no? All you got to. Ikaw, ikas ka. All you got to do.
All you got to.
Brother, me. Drag.
Yangin mo gud padulong lang.
Morning everyone! I just woke up around 9 a.m. ata ako nagising and I do not know what to do today. So I just need to do something para maging productive naman ako. And then every time na magmata ko guys kay mag-ngita jud ko kapian like coffee first before anything else. So I just gonna have my coffee, and this is the cup is from Samal Island. Love Samal Island. This was sponsored by the LGU of Samal Island. Chari. Anyway guys, giveaway ni siya atong party namo, and then wala lang. I just appreciate it. So I read this book. So ito yung binabasa ko na book today. So this is Get Unstuck and Be Unstoppable by Valerie Burton. Actually guys, nabasa ko na siya and naubos ko na siya like twice na. Pero gibasa gyapon ako siya guys kay I love the message, or I love this book. Daghan kag ma-learn kay mga advices sa life, and then sometimes you feel undisciplined habit, yung mga times na feel mo is yung feeling mo is stuck ka always. So then lately I experienced being stuck. I used to think more over na kanang I feel useless and stagnant as these past few days. And I realized that I need to be reminded of my goals, my purpose in this world, and why I am doing this. And actually guys, nako diri sa akong mga like wapo ka diri like super mingaw and maka-at-peace siya kay wala kayo saba diri. Yeah, going back to this book, I really love this. I always read this every time I feel stuck. Because sometimes in our life, we need to be reminded of what we are, for who we are. Sometimes people feel so heavy, stagnant, and everything na feel mo lang yung stuck ka. Pero what I have learned from this book is Valerie Burton teaches you how to be unstuck and be unstoppable.
Pas dahin yung cellphone ko.
Sige daw. Hello guys, so I am here at City Hall. So mag-jog ako. This is my second time around na mag-jog. And yesterday I was able to finish 3 rounds I think. And ano ba siya guys? Like, kapoy siya kahit wala lang ako nakabalik mag-jog. So let's do a stretching, a quick stretching. Hayag.